So I thought since we're already 15 minutes into a half-hour lesson, I'm just gonna spend this last few minutes here making you a technique video because I thought you would get probably the best value out of that. So let's just do, I'm gonna do all of the scales that you need for level 3, and then you can keep this video and reference it back while we're doing everything level 3. So I'll just go scales from the beginning. We'll start with D major. I'm gonna, actually, can I move this so it shows higher? That would be better. Is that better? Yeah, okay, cool. So D major, hands together. Watch my finger numbers. I'm gonna go full speed just for the sake of time, but because this is on YouTube, you can always slow it down if you need to. Watch my finger numbers for crosses. Okay, and since we're already here, let's do D major formula pattern because that's also part of level 3. Next up we have F major. So remember, I should have said, but D major had an F sharp and a C sharp as the key signature. F major has a B flat as the key signature. And remember the funky thing about this, no pinky in the right hand. So hopefully you can see my finger numbers on that. B flat major, this one's funky in both hands. Finger 1 starts with a 2-1 cross. Left hand starts with 3-2-1, and then 4 is your first cross. Here we go. I'll go a bit slower on this one because it's kind of funky. Oop, I messed it up. Woohoo, I messed it again. That one when you're doing it. Okay, so good news. That's all of the major scales that you need for level 3. Let's go on to the minor scales. Let's go on to the minor scales now. So B minor is first. Key signature is the same as D major, F sharp and C sharp. So let's do, oh no, we don't have to do harmonic. I mean, we don't have to do natural. So that's our key signature, F sharp and C sharp. To make it a harmonic scale, we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is A, so we're going to have A sharp. So harmonic, we're going to have F sharp and C sharp like normal, and A sharp. That's pretty. Okay, here we go. B harmonic minor. Left hand, we're starting on finger 4. Right hand, we're just starting on our regular finger 1. Here we go. Okay, let's do melodic while we're at it. So we know A sharp is our 7th note. So to find our 6th note, just go down 1, G sharp. So normally G, we'll make it G sharp for melodic. And then we'll put them back on the way down. Here we go, melodic. Okay, next we have D minor. So D is the relative minor of what major key? Think about it. Okay, if you thought or if you said out loud F major, you are correct. So that means our key signature is B flat. So for D harmonic minor, we're going to raise that 7th note, which is down 1, C. So we're going to have C sharp. So we're going to have B flat just because of our key signature and adding C sharp. So here we go, D harmonic minor. Now for melodic, we already know C sharp is our raised 7th note, but because our 6th note is a flat, instead of raising it to a sharp, and it won't be B sharp, we're going to raise it and just make it B natural. So for melodic, we have B natural, C sharp, and then they go back on the way down. So here we go, D melodic minor with B natural and C sharp. Here we go. And I'm going to do that one more time actually, because I don't know if you noticed, but I messed up the fingers in my left hand. So let's do that one more time. That a lot of people do, and I crossed it the wrong time. So the last one is G minor. Key signature is the same as B flat, which makes it B flat, of course, and E flat. So our 7th note, G, we count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So G harmonic minor is going to have an F sharp. Let's start with that. And I'm going to go an octave lower for this, just because G is quite high. So here we go. G harmonic minor to start. We already have our raised 7th with F sharp. Our 6th note is E flat, so just like our D minor scale, we're going to take the flat and make it a natural. So E natural and F sharp on the way up, F natural and E flat on the way down. So here we go, G melodic minor. And the next would be our D major formula pattern. We already did that, but just for giggles, let me do it for you full speed so you can see that. So you don't have to play it that fast anytime soon, but that's where we want to be when we're ready to move on from level 3. Okay, and then the very last one is a chromatic scale from D to D. The good news is this one is hand separate, and the even better news is it's the same fingering as it's always been for chromatic. So let's start with right hand. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. Now I'll do it without talking. Now I'll do it full speed. Don't get freaked out by the speed. That's not anytime soon. That's where we eventually want to be. Left hand. 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now without talking. Full speed. So again, same thing. No time soon, so don't panic about that. But there you go. So we have a nice technique heavy video, but this is good because you can keep this video for all of level 3. So sorry I missed you today, but I hope you're having an awesome beginning of your summer, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. And yeah, that's about it for today. I shall see you next time. And if you're wondering where I am, I'm in the room you normally have your piano lessons in, but we painted. So next time you're here, you'll get to see the cool paint in the room. Looks really good. Okay, see you next time. Have a good one, Luke.